Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to yet another Bitcoin video. So in my last video I talked about my opinion on Bitcoin, if I'm going to invest in Bitcoin in the future, and my vision for Bitcoin. And today we're going to talk about Bitcoin in 2018. Will there be a crash? Is there a bubble right now, and will it pop during 2018? That's what we're going to talk about today. So to begin this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin hitting $17,000. This week, and as of right now it's actually back down to, it was down to $13,000 at one point, but it went back up and now it's around 15k. We can argue that it's steady. A lot of people was expecting it to go down after it hit its all-time high at 17k, and now it's really just going up and down at 15k. So this really amazed me. Amazon has registered their new domains related to cryptocurrency, prompting speculation it may be about to announce a move into the sector. The company has not made an announcement regarding the reason for the registrations, but it could be preparing to accept currencies as payment or launching an exchange for customers to purchase them. Amazon, one of the biggest retailers in the market right now, might actually start accepting Bitcoin. And if they do start accepting Bitcoin, this will really make a lot of new people start using Bitcoin, and this is really just gonna make the prices go up even more and make them even higher than they are at right now. So I would probably see it going to like 20k, 25k if Bitcoin just added or implemented this into their system. Another move that I saw them make this week is Bitcoin might actually be introduced, or it will be introduced, into Wall Street. So this is what they had to say. So the US Committee of Futures Trading Commissions has granted SME Group permissions to issue Bitcoin futures beginning at December 18. The green light, which is given Friday, came after CME Group pledged that its products won't undermine federal regulations. Global Markets also announced plans to issue Bitcoin futures, but it has yet to announce a start date. Earlier this week, reports indicate that Nasdaq is also planning to roll out Bitcoin features that sometime next year. Sources familiar with the matter say that the contract will be executed on Nasdaq and FXT market and could become available as early as second quarter. So what this means is that Bitcoin will actually be able to probably be used to buy stocks and maybe be traded in the Nasdaq, and this will really make Bitcoin even more available on the market, and this I think will make Bitcoin even stronger, more implemented in the economy, and this will make it a lot harder for Bitcoin to actually pop and crash as people are speculating right now. So a few problems I have with Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is hard to use in real life, so to speak. So for example, let's say you have a app in you have your wallet in your phone, so that's very convenient, right? And then you're about to go and buy a coffee, you're going to buy an ice cream. Let's say it's a hot summer day, you're going on the beach and you wanna buy an ice cream. So you go there to the kiosk and you ask for an ice cream and you want to pay with Bitcoin. Are they likely to offer you Bitcoin payments in the first hand? No. They're not going to have that. But let's say they do accept Bitcoin, okay? So you send them Bitcoin from your phone. They're waiting until they get the Bitcoin to their wallet, and that is going to take a while. So Bitcoin transactions can actually take very long. So you have probably minimum 10 minutes, but it could take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It really depends on the speed of the transactions and whatever. And another problem that I see right now with Bitcoin is that transaction fees can be actually really expensive. So let's say you really want to buy this ice cream, you're going to have to pay like probably 20 bucks in just transaction fees for this low transaction. So I don't see Bitcoin being used in real life. It's really hard to implement it in an already well-functioning market and a well-functioning economy. What might actually work, you have Litecoin. Sorry for having my phone in my hand, that's really stupid. So what we do have is probably like Litecoin that offers a lot quicker transactions. I haven't really looked into Litecoin, but I read a little bit about it, and they offer a lot quicker transactions. So this might actually be able to be some kind of better version of Bitcoin and send people money faster. But it's something that really holds Bitcoin back is the way that Bitcoin can't really be used in real life. We also have this problem that no one is really using Bitcoin today to actually purchase items or purchase products. Everyone is just holding Bitcoin because they think they're going to make money, right? So everyone is buying Bitcoin, they're hoping to make money, and some people are making money. I cannot deny that people are not making money, but I don't see anyone using Bitcoin for real stuff. The only people that are actually using Bitcoin today is probably the people on like the deep web using Bitcoin to buy drugs, weapons, and guns. And I'm not saying that Bitcoin is bad just because people are doing that, because people are buying drugs, weapons, and other stuff with real money as well. So you can't really blame that on Bitcoin. But I don't see anyone using it, right? Only people using it is like the black market, because it's untraceable for the most part. And therefore, I don't see a really good future for Bitcoin. But blockchain, on the other hand, probably has a better future, because blockchain, the idea behind blockchain is really actually good. So I see that probably another cryptocurrency will take Bitcoin's place and be a better Bitcoin. It has to have better features. It has to be like, you have to be able to send it fast, because people can't stand in line and wait for like 1 hour transaction to go through just to buy your groceries, right? It's not going to happen. So what we have to see is another cryptocurrency, and I think this will actually happen. Another cryptocurrency will come in and take all the users, right? Because right now you only have these people trying to make money. You have these 12-year-olds, 20-year-olds. A lot of young people are trying to make money in cryptocurrency, so therefore they're buying Bitcoin. But as of right now, I do not see a future in Bitcoin itself. It might be sold, it might not be sold. This is my opinion. Am I going to invest in Bitcoin in the future? I might be investing in Bitcoin. I'm definitely looking into other currencies right now. Litecoin is one of them. I haven't done a lot of research yet, but I will do. But yeah, I don't see this future in Bitcoin. Yes, you can make money right now because everyone is hyping it. You have people with zero knowledge of investing. It's the first time investing, and the first thing they do is, oh my god, if I bought Bitcoin in 2009, I would have been a millionaire. Everyone is making their, like, that's what they're basing everything off, right? They're like, oh, if I buy it right now in like 2 years I'll be a millionaire. But do you think really everyone buying Bitcoin today is going to be a millionaire? Definitely not. It's not going to happen. Some people are gonna make some money, right? Because they sell out at the right time. But a lot of people will lose a lot of money. So it's hard to say. It's hard to say. I definitely think there will be a crash in 2018. Do I think it will go to zero? Definitely not. It will probably go down to 5k, around 5k, and at that point I recommend you to buy, wait until it goes up again, sell off, and don't buy Bitcoin again, okay? So wait for the next crash. We have a crash right now, so you're able to buy, but it's only at 13k. That is my recommendation, my thoughts on Bitcoin. I might actually invest in Bitcoin. We'll see. I will talk about it in another video if I do invest. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. I know a lot of people will argue with me, but if you have any other questions about Bitcoin, leave it down below and I'll check it out. Other information down below in the description, my Instagram and whatsoever, so go and check that out. And thank you for watching this video.